A Thing of Beauty by John Keats. About the poet. Name, John Keats, 1795 to 1821. A British romantic poet. Trained as a surgeon but chose a life of poetry. Known for expressing dreams, emotions, and beauty through rich and imaginative language. This poem is an excerpt from Endymion, a poetic romance based on Greek mythology. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness, but will keep above a quiet for us, and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. A thing of beauty is a joy forever means anything beautiful brings happiness that lasts forever. Its impact on our mind is permanent and never fades. Its loveliness increases, it will never. Beauty keeps growing in our memory and imagination. It never loses its charm or importance. Pass into nothingness, but will keep. Beauty does not become insignificant or disappear with time, it remains meaningful. Above a quiet for us, and asleep. Beauty provides us a peaceful place, like a shady shelter under a tree, where we can rest. Full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Beauty gives us calmness, helps us relax, and leads to sweet dreams, good health, and peace of mind. Therefore, on every morrow, are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Spite of despondence, of the inhuman dearth, of noble natures, of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and o'er-darkened ways. Made for our searching, yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty moves away the pall from our dark spirits. Therefore, on every morrow, are we wreathing. This is why every day, we keep connecting ourselves more and more to life through the appreciation of beauty. A flowery band to bind us to the earth. Enjoying beauty is like making a chain of flowers that keeps us attached positively to life and the world. Spite of despondence, of the inhuman dearth. Even if we are sad or see a shortage of noble and good people around us. Of noble natures, of the gloomy days. In times when goodness seems rare, or when our days are dark and sad. Of all the unhealthy and o'er-darkened ways. Despite all the negative, unhealthy, and challenging paths we face in life. Made for our searching, yes, in spite of all. Though life is full of difficulties and we are always searching for meaning, beauty still helps us. Some shape of beauty moves away the pall from our dark spirits. Some form of beauty always lifts the sadness or darkness from our minds, making us feel better. Such the sun, the moon. Trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon. For simple sheep, and such are daffodils. With the green world they live in, and clear rills. That for themselves a cooling covert make. 'Gainst the hot season, the mid-forest break. Such the sun, the moon. Examples of beauty include the sun and the moon, which delight and inspire us. Trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon. Old and young trees provide cool shade, gift for all living things. For simple sheep, and such are daffodils. Beauty is also seen in simple things like sheep enjoying the shade and daffodil flowers. With the green world they live in, and clear rills. Daffodils and other beautiful things contribute to the greenness and freshness of the world, including clear streams. That for themselves a cooling covert make. The streams create their own cool shelter, protecting themselves during hot weather. 'Gainst the hot season, the mid-forest break. These cool shelters are especially helpful during the heat of summer and among thick forest growth. Rich with a sprinkling of fair musk rose blooms. And such too is the grandeur of the dunes. We have imagined for the mighty dead. All lovely tales that we have heard or read. An endless fountain of immortal drink, pouring unto us from the heavens' brink. rich with a sprinkling of fair musk rose blooms. Forests become more beautiful with the addition of lovely, fragrant musk rose flowers. And such too is the grandeur of the dunes. Beauty is not just in nature but also in the greatness or grandeur of what we imagine about the noble people who lived before us. We have imagined for the mighty dead. The stories and the imagined rewards for great people of the past are also beautiful. All lovely tales that we have heard or read. Beautiful tales and stories we have listened to or read also add to our store of beauty. An endless fountain of immortal drink. All these beautiful things, both real and imagined, are like an endless fountain of joy and inspiration that never dries up, pouring unto us from the heavens' brink. This fountain of beauty, joy, and inspiration flows down to us from above, almost like a divine blessing. Summary. The poem A Thing of Beauty by John Keats is a profound exploration of the significance of beauty in our lives. At its core, the poem conveys three essential themes: the eternity of beauty, the escape it provides from suffering, and the connection it fosters with nature and stories. Firstly, the poem emphasizes that beauty is eternal, providing constant joy and happiness that never fades. According to Keats, a beautiful thing is like a shady shelter that offers peace, comfort, and sweet dreams forever. This idea is encapsulated in the line, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever," suggesting that true beauty is timeless and remains etched in our memories, continuing to inspire and uplift us. Secondly, the poem highlights the role of beauty in alleviating sadness and suffering. Even in the midst of darkness and difficulty, beautiful things have the power to uplift our spirits and provide solace. Nature, with its myriad creations, is a source of endless joy and inspiration, helping to ease human suffering and providing comfort and peace. Thirdly, the poem explores the connection between beauty and our attachment to the world. Keats suggests that beauty binds us to the earth, fostering a deep emotional and spiritual connection to life. This connection is not limited to natural beauty but also extends to stories of heroic and noble people, which inspire us to live on and maintain our faith in goodness. The poem is replete with examples of beauty, ranging from the sun and moon to trees, daffodils, and clear streams. The poet also finds beauty in the stories of brave soldiers who have laid down their lives for their people. These beautiful things are like an endless fountain of immortality, bestowed upon us by God, and serve as a source of inspiration and joy. In conclusion, the poem A Thing of Beauty is a celebration of the transformative power of beauty. It reminds us that beauty is not just a fleeting experience but a profound source of joy, comfort, and inspiration that can help us navigate life's challenges with hope and resilience. Through its exploration of the themes of eternal beauty, escape from suffering, and connection to nature and stories, the poem offers a powerful and enduring message about the significance of beauty in our lives. Modern meanings of key lines. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Beautiful things stay in our memories and continue to give us happiness. It will never pass into nothingness. True beauty is timeless, it does not fade away. Wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Beauty in the world keeps us emotionally and spiritually connected to life. Examples of beauty in the poem. The sun and moon. Old and young trees giving shade. Daffodils and clear streams. Cool forests with blooming musk roses. Great stories and tales of the past. The imagined greatness of heroic people who have died. Things that cause pain and suffering. Sadness and hopelessness. Lack of kindness or noble character in the world. Gloomy and dark days. Challenges in searching for meaning or light. Important literary devices. Imagery, strong visual images of nature and mythical tales, flowers, streams, sunlight. Metaphor, endless fountain of immortal drink, symbolize everlasting joy and inspiration from beauty. Rhyme scheme, consistent and musical, adds rhythm and harmony to the poem. Symbolism, nature represents purity, healing, and inner peace. Think it out, modernized answers. 1. Things of beauty in the poem: sun, moon, trees, daffodils, streams, green nature, musk roses, heroic stories, imagined heavenly rewards. 2. Things causing pain: sadness, hopeless days, cruel acts, spiritual loneliness. 3. Reading a flowery band means nature helps us stay grounded and spiritually connected to life in a positive way. 4. What makes us love life despite pain? The joy and emotional comfort we get from beautiful things. 5. Grandeur of the mighty dead refers to the respect and value we give to great people after they've passed, which lives on beautifully. 6. Do beautiful things last? Yes, according to Keats, beauty creates lasting joy and remains in our minds and hearts. 7. Image describing Earth's beauty, an endless fountain of immortal drink, a constant source of joy and spiritual nourishment. Final thought. Keats believes life may be full of struggles, but beauty, especially in nature and art, comforts the soul and connects us to something eternal.